side skirts are finally installed. All right, let's back the truck out. Just moving the truck. We finally got the license plates. Time to put them on. Oh my! Oh my, this heavy work is definitely a job for Ajin. Let my husband do it. Come on, honey. Time to work.
Right, you should help too. Okay, 7, 7, 4, 2, 4. A pair of 7s and a pair of 4s. Double 7s mean double wealth. Pass me the screws, please.
Hey, brothers. Now this truck is completely finished. The license plates are all properly installed. But here comes the real problem. What is the problem? Right now we only have the tractor unit. There is no way to work. Hey boss, did you buy this truck just for me to drive around for fun?
No way. I also ordered for you a custom skeleton trailer. Yes, it is fully customized. The factory is working overtime on it right now. It will probably be finished in 2 or 3 days, and then they will ship it back from Shandong.
So I still have to wait around for a few more days? Probably even longer than that.
What's wrong?
Don't forget, we still need to get the truck's operating permits and driver cards.
It's all done.
Lately, these gas prices are still quite acceptable to me. But the diesel truck, our old diesel truck right now, is making me so anxious. With the prices these days, diesel is just way too high. I really want to send it out to work now.
Just stay calm. Let other truckers hit the road first. Let them make some good money first.
Right now, I really don't know how those diesel truck drivers, those guys, are getting by these days. But as for my truck, I feel like it has been holding up okay. That other truck of ours. But inside, I am just getting so anxious. I just want to take this vehicle right now and send it straight out to work, so it can start making money for us.
Originally, today I wanted to take my new tractor unit to hitch up my old trailer and then head out of Yunnan to unload and do the decorations and get it all done. But the factory just called me. They said the new trailer is ready, but right now they cannot find a truck to haul this flatbed back home for me. Now I am so torn. Should I drive all the way to Shandong just to tow it back myself? Or what should I do? Or maybe among our fans. Are there any fellow truckers in Shandong right now who are heading back to our Sichuan province here? Back to Panzihua or Chengdu? Could you help me haul this flatbed back home? I will definitely pay for all expenses. Well, my new tractor unit has been registered for several days now. But as for the trailer, I still have no idea when it will finally arrive in Panzihua. Inside, I am just getting way too anxious. Right now, I am preparing to drive the truck out to grease the parts, and then go pump some air into the tires. Well, as you guys already know, before this, I was always doing that drop and hook logistics. So right now, I have made a final decision. Today, once that new trailer comes back, I will take that trailer, load it up and hitch it to this new tractor, and then I will drive this rig out for a trip to check its gas consumption. It will definitely save me some money compared to diesel trucks because lately fuel, the prices keep going up. It just keeps rising, but exactly how much it can actually save, I still don't know yet. Let's go check it out. First, let's bring all our stuff onto the truck, and then we will go grease it and add air. Oh, I also bought a brand new steering wheel cover. Hey, look at my luggage. I really wanted to ask, aren't you leaving? You are not even packing your stuff.
Hey, you! Just let your mind fly to the horizon.
What did you say?
I said, just relax and let your mind wander.
You're not worried at all, are you?
Can't you see it from my facial expression?
No, I can't see anything on your face. You seriously do not care about just a little bit? Turn that switch on.
It's on.
Is it really on? Open the main valve now.
Opened.
Good. Right now, Ajin is driving the big truck, and I am driving our small car. We are heading down together to grease the vehicle. Since it is a brand new truck, it doesn't have enough grease from the factory. That's why we must drive it first, to find a maintenance shop. We have finally arrived at the shop. Look, the big red celebratory flower is still attached. So we decided, well, to completely take down this big ribbon. Otherwise, when the strong wind blows on the highway, it keeps flying straight up onto the truck's windshield, which seriously blocks our view.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do